Welcome to Kerala PSC Prep. Today's study notes cover Indian Polity, Parliament of India Complete Guide, detailed notes on Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, sessions, types of bills, parliamentary committees, privileges, and budget process for Kerala PSC. Rajya Sabha, Council of States. Feature. Details. Maximum strength. 250. 238 elected plus 12 nominated. Current strength. 245, 233 elected plus 12 nominated. Elected by members of state legislative assemblies through single transferable vote, proportional representation. Continuing Rajya Sabha, Council of States. Nominated by President, 12 members with special knowledge experience in literature, science, art, social service. Term. 6 years, 1/3 retire every 2 years. Minimum age. 30 years. Chairman. Vice President of India, ex officio. Continuing Rajya Sabha, Council of States. Deputy Chairman. Elected from among Rajya Sabha members. Not subject to dissolution. Permanent body, never dissolved. Quorum. 1/10 of total membership, 25 members. Lok Sabha, House of the People. Feature. Details. Maximum strength. 552, 530 states plus 20 UTs plus 2 nominated Anglo-Indians, now lapsed. Current strength. 543, 530 states plus 13 UTs. Elected by direct election by people on basis of universal adult suffrage. Continuing Lok Sabha, House of the People. Nominated 2 Anglo-Indian members, Article 331, this provision lapsed in 2020, 104th Amendment. Term. 5 years, can be dissolved earlier, extended during emergency by 1 year at a time. Minimum age. 25 years. Speaker. Elected from among Lok Sabha members, presides over sessions. Continuing Lok Sabha, House of the People. Deputy Speaker. Elected from among members. Quorum. 1/10 of total membership, 55 members. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Fact. Details. Elected by members of Lok Sabha from among themselves. Removal. By resolution passed by effective majority, majority of then members, with 14 days advance notice. Casting vote. Votes only in case of tie, does not vote in first instance. Continuing Speaker of Lok Sabha. Joint sitting. Speaker presides over joint sitting of both houses. Resignation. Submits to Deputy Speaker. Pro tem Speaker. Senior-most member administers oath to new members, presides until Speaker elected. First Speaker. G.V. Mavlankar, 1952 to 1956. Continuing Speaker of Lok Sabha. First Woman Speaker. Meera Kumar, 2009 to 2014. Sessions of Parliament. Session. Typical period. Budget session. February to May. Monsoon session. July to August. Winter session. November to December. Continuing sessions of Parliament. Key rules. Details. Gap between sessions. Cannot exceed 6 months, Article 85. Summoning. President summons each house. Prorogation. President prorogues the session, ends session. Continuing sessions of Parliament. Adjournment. Presiding officer, Speaker Chairman, adjourns sitting, temporary break. Adjournment sine die. Indefinite adjournment by presiding officer. Legislative process, types of bills. Type. Details. Ordinary bill. On any subject in Union concurrent list, can be introduced in either house, passed by simple majority. Money Bill, Art. 110 deals with taxation, borrowing, consolidated fund, etc. can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. Speaker certifies. Rajya Sabha can only recommend 14 days. Lok Sabha may accept or reject recommendations. Financial Bill, Art. 117 deals with fiscal matters but does not qualify as money bill. 2 types. Type I, introduced only in LS with President's recommendation, and Type 2, no such restriction. Continuing legislative process. Types of bills. Constitution Amendment Bill, Art. 368, to amend Constitution, can be introduced in either house, needs special majority, 2/3 of members present and voting plus majority of total membership, in each house separately. Certain amendments also need ratification by half the states. Ordinance Replacing Bill. To replace an ordinance, must be passed within 6 weeks of reassembly. How a bill becomes law. Stage. Details. First reading. Introduction of bill, no debate, title and objectives read. Second reading. General discussion, clause by clause consideration, amendments moved. Committee stage. Bill referred to select committee, standing committee, optional. Continuing how a bill becomes law. Third reading. Final debate, voting on the bill as a whole. Other house. Same process in second house. President's assent. A. Gives assent, bill becomes Act. B. Withholds assent. C. Returns for reconsideration, not money bill. If passed again, President must give assent. Joint sitting, Article 108. Fact. Details. Called by President. Presided by Speaker of Lok Sabha. When deadlock between two houses on an ordinary bill, one house rejects, does not pass within 6 months, disagrees on amendments. Continuing joint sitting, Article 108. Not applicable to money bills and constitution amendment bills. Decided by simple majority of total members present and voting. Instances. Only 3 times. Dowry Prohibition Bill, 1961, Banking Service Commission Bill, 1978, Quota, 2002. For complete notes with tables and more details, visit keralaprep.com. Take quizzes and earn mock tests. Join our Telegram channel at keralaprep26 for daily updates.